Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Cheryl Technology Channel. My name is Chris, and I'm your host today. And in this one, everybody, we're going to be looking at something that I figured out yesterday. So in OBS, there's a setting for 4K, right? So we're going to look at it here in a minute. If you don't know the Lord Jesus Christ, reach out to me in the comments, and let's get right into this video. Basically, what was happening is in this screen right here, I know this is going to give y'all like weirdness here, but this was not scaling correctly. And so what ended up happening was I went into the settings here. So let's go into there, and then we'll go to video, and you can see the base and the output are the same, exactly the same. But for some reason, it kept sizing it really weird. So what I ended up doing was I right-clicked on here, and I went to resize output source size. When I did that, that's what actually fixed my problem. And so now, as you can see, it scales the whole window, the whole screen, because it was like whacking off like the bottom part down here. It was whacking off like the bottom part of the toolbar down here, and that's what was happening to me. So that's how you fix it. See, I tried going into settings and fixing all this, and there was no way to do it. Scaled to the actual size of this canvas right here. And once I did that, everything works. Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. Really short, quick video on how to do that. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. And if you don't know the Lord Jesus Christ, reach out to me in the comments too. And until next time, everybody, peace.